And of course, you want to unplug it to risk from shock. First step is to take off your faceplate. That's this front part. What you do is stick your thumb in here, push up, and pull out, and it'll budge. And you just move your finger along here and pull it. It'll sound like you're breaking it, but you're really not. Then you want to take off these sides. Oh, make sure there's not a CD in there. That'd be very bad. Well, not very, but pretty bad. But, okay, to take off these, there's little tabs in here. There would be, one right there, around the USB side. One right there. Just stick it in there, wiggle your hand, and push. Oh, too far. And it should come out like that after a while. There would be one right there. Wiggle and push. You can see the tabs if you get a flashlight or something, or just do a good job at seeing them like I do. And then you got all three out. There, there, and there. They're kind of evenly separated. Then you flip your 360 over. Oh, it slides. Okay. And the tabs should be on the same spots, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they are. So just stick it in there and push it. Oh! Well, mine just came out. But, tab there, tab there, tab there. Oh, they're broke. That's why. That's pretty cool. And then you got that. Now, I don't think it matters which side you take off first. Go with the CD side. CD-ROM side. CD, DVD drive, whatever. I forget. There's a tab. Well, there aren't really tabs, but there are, if you know what I'm saying. Just kind of stick it in there and push. You'll see the tabs. There's one right there. You're not going to be able to get that one. So just look for different tabs and push it up. You should be fine. Oops. I should stop doing that. Can't really tell, but all three of them are out right there. Let me just flip it over and do the same on this side. Okay, when you look in there, you'll see little tabs. Push on the... I don't have a stand. It stands there for rich people. Okay. Push on the tab. Pull it apart. Push on another tab. Pull it apart more. Snap open. Now we go to the side. Push on the tab. 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 There. It's not that hard if you actually try to do it. Anywho. We got this back part open. Popped all the tabs. Pretty simple. I should close that. And now we're working on the front part. You'll find 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that you need to take out. These are the easiest ones. They're giant tabs. You can probably do them with your fingers. Stick it in there. This requires 2 hands, just so you know. What? Stick it in there, flathead, or whatever you use. I don't know. I don't care. Pull it out. Stick it in, pull it out. Stick it in, pull it out. Shut up. Stick it in, pull it out.
Stick it in and then pull it out. And you should have the top. And you should have the top off.
X's, whatever, green thing, circuit. When you see these circuit boards, whatever they're called, I'm not sure. I completely forgot. My mind is dead right now. Don't touch them. Don't touch them. And if you're going to touch them by the sides. Don't touch them. Just don't. I'm telling you right now. The bottom side, this is the fun part. Because you get to actually unscrew things. You need to get your Torx. I don't know if you can see that. This camera's kind of shitty. I didn't have a extension for the Torx, so I just put it on a flathead and it's all good. I'll take a picture of this to show you what ones to screw out.
So the screws out, put it in there. If you don't know how to screw things and you're not going to make it in life, you just give up. Don't
unscrewed these, just take them out. Yeah, they're pretty big. You should have, don't unscrew all the screws. You don't want to do that. Take out, you should have 6 screws. Okay, alright. And then don't take this top off yet. Hold it together and flip it. Make sure you don't take it off yet. Flip it so it's on the metal part. And then this green thing is going to get in the way. Pull that out a little bit. Don't pull it out completely. A little bit. Along with this open disc tray button. And then just pull the top off. Do it on both sides. Pull it. 3 seconds. Metal. It's kind of burned there. You can't even see that, I don't think, but it'll do that. Welcome to the inside of a 360. This is what burns it. Yours will look a little different. You might have a sticker here. I took mine off. There might be a white thing over that.